So, hey everyone, in this day 11, we are going to see what are QSpin boxes. It's a Qt widget, and let me open the docs for you so we can see what are the QSpin boxes class. So, here you can see like a QSpin box class provides a spin box widget. Let me make it big for you. Like here, the QSpin box class provides a spin and how you can include the skew spin boxes, how you can add these things, and this is how the spin boxes look like. You can read here the Q spin boxes is designed to handle integers and discrete set of values, like which are variables. Like you can go through the docs and read like what are Q spin boxes, and I'm just gonna hit next, and just gonna select the Q widget. I'm gonna hit next, and I'm going to select the GCC compiler. I hit next, and as you can see, my project has been open here. Let's look at everything. Like it's a good to go build. I'm just gonna open my Q widget.h, and here I'm just gonna add some things. So first let me include all the header files which I'm going to need. QHbox layout. We have already discussed what are QHbox and what are QLabel. For the spin box, you can do this. Okay, like include QSpinBox, and I'm just gonna add some files over here. So let's make it public. So I'm just gonna make a small project where we can do the price of the laptop. Let's make a laptop edit. Okay, like you can enter the price and quantity. It will give you the total price. Okay, so I'm just gonna add total here, save it, and the Q widget. I'm just gonna add to edge box layout, edge box, new to edge box layout. This. So let me just change background first. Set style sheet. So for changing the style sheet, you have to change the background. We have to change the background to set style sheet, and I'm just gonna give the background color, and I'm just gonna okay. I'm just gonna save it and give it a good build. So here it says me file not found. Okay, this is an pointer, right? Yeah. Let's just save all and run. You can see the previous problem in the Linux has been solved. Like we have to set the background color to white every time for that. And after the Hbox has been created, let's create some labels to label, and I'm just gonna name it laptop to label this. Okay. And label set text. Okay, laptop, laptop set text, and just give some text over here, like laptop, and let's change the style sheet also. So for that, we are just gonna do set font. I'm gonna give it 10 times and size 14. So okay, it's also need class in it. It's called QFont. I thought I'm assuming that you remember it from the previous lectures. Now let's add it in Xbox. Gonna add widget and just gonna include laptop. I'm just gonna run it. Okay, it's not visible yet. I think I just have to run it again to see. Yeah, there is something. Let me change the color also. So laptop set style sheet color black. Yeah. So here you can run it again. So here you can see this is the laptop, and I'm just gonna add some text edit or Q line edit. So for that, I'm gonna move to header file and include Q line header, Q line edit. It's gonna move here, Q line edit, and just name it as price point, and hit it a little bit faster to see. So this, and that's all for the Q line edit. And I'm just gonna add one placeholder also, or you can leave it as it is. There is no need. So Q line edit, and just gonna add total price. Just hit new Q line edit this, and I'm just gonna include everything in the QH box. Let me shift it down a little bit. Now H box, add a widget, price point, and H box, add a widget, total price. Okay. Now we are going to move at the main point, how to add a spin box. So for that, I'm just gonna create a class of QSpinBox, and I'm gonna name it S box new QSpinBox. This you have to give the this pointer every time so it remembers what is the referred value, and you can do some changes over here. In the line edit, same. So you can also spin box set font. doing the fonts times 15 to this part. And now here I will make a signal and slot. So for that I'm just gonna insert a signal, or we can just create some function void change spin. I'm just gonna hit next. So I'm gonna add a definition over here and just let me connect it. Okay, so for the connection, just write connect and the name of your object. Then you have to type the signal. So for the signal of QSpinBox, there is a signal called value changed, and you comma. Now you have to refer what is the value, and you have to give the slot. So the slot is change spin. Okay, so now it is correct. Just I'm just gonna add some values over here. So first I'm just gonna do the price which we have created, and I'm just gonna get some text over here, and it should be in. So for the text, we are getting the text over here. So it's not a pointer. Okay. So we have to make it global, I guess. So I'm just gonna make it Control C and Control V. Yeah. So I'm just gonna remove it from here, and just we have to do the same for this also. And I'm just gonna select it. And okay, I just forget the cube. And we can remove this part also. Yeah. So now we have got the price, and so for that, for getting the value from the spin box, we can simply type the value over here. So I have to also make the S box as public also. Control C and Control V. I'm just gonna save it, and I'm just gonna remove the pointer, and now we can add some values over here. I'm just gonna set the text to string number, and what is the total number, or what is the total value of that. So for that we are just gonna create, I'm just gonna so here we can create some variables and store them. Just for, we have to create a total price. So this is to display everything. So I'm just gonna multiply these two. So here it is, and now total price. So let's say text. What is the text? So I guess member int is not a pointer. Let's make it a pointer. With no. Member reference type int is not a pointer. What does that mean? So for this part, for the total price. Okay, total, let's make a total amount. And it's gonna total amount. I think everything is set now. Let's give it a good build. And our spin box has not been added. So QSbox, just gonna add the widget. Spin box. So now I think it's gonna, okay. So I'm just gonna hit enter. So let's make every font. So let's set the font to set style sheet, and it's gonna give it a color of black, and just gonna copy it. I'm just gonna do this part for the same, for the total price, and I'm just gonna hit enter. I'm just gonna hit 1000. So our value is not been displayed to here. Okay, let's see what is the problem. So what could be the main problem here? Let's analyze for a second. So I'm just gonna see some things. Okay, it is not doing. So it's not returning the text. Hmm. Okay, let's do some things over here. Just gonna remove this and I'm gonna remove the quantity and I'm just gonna add the price. Let's make it more optimal for a point. So, what are we doing wrong? So, I guess there is some problem we couldn't have encountered. Okay, let's see what could we do have done wrong. Okay, so this should be in the slot section. Slots. Yeah, this could be a little bit okay. We are not. It's a private, not public slot. So let's see what is our output here. So 1000. Just gonna. So here you can see like our values have been changing. So this is all for the QSpin boxes. Do remember to add slots for the connection. And this is all for now. In the next session, we are going to see QLCD number. And this is all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.